All right. Move 27 and 30 moves to 30K, your first deal done. This is a big one. Don't fall in love with the house. Simple as that. I don't care if it's the coolest house you've ever seen. I don't care if it's got the coolest features. I don't care if it's the street you grew up on. I don't care if all your friends love it. I don't care if someone's paying for it all for you and it makes you have warm and fuzzies. I don't care if the sunrise or the sunset by it is perfect. Don't fall in love with the house. It doesn't matter what the reason is. You can fill in the blank with whatever you want. Don't fall in love with it. It is an investment property. The minute you fall in love with it, your perspective changes, your attitude toward it changes, the decisions you make about it will change, and usually for the worse. Usually for the worse. Now, one investor I know, a friend of mine, he says he hates every house. I don't know that I would say I hate every house because that's a bit negative, but I get what he's saying. I want no emotional attachment to this thing in any way whatsoever. And that I do agree with. You want to look at the house as nothing more than an asset and do what you need to do with it. Get in, do the work, flip it, and move on. Don't add any emotional baggage to it. It will make your life a whole lot easier. You will be tempted, especially when you're doing the finishes and the house starts looking really nice and you have these great visions of what you're going to do. It is so easy to fall in love with it. So easy. And if you bring a designer into the deal, they love this stuff, but that's their passion. Respect it, appreciate it, but don't let it consume you. Never fall in love with the house. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Remember, it is an investment, nothing more, nothing less. Use it as such. Let the person that's going to buy the house from you, let them fall in love with it because they're the ones that are going to write the check that gets you paid. See you in the next video.